If you want to insert the memory card or micro SD card into Samsung Galaxy A11, then we need to first take a look at the side of the tablet in order to locate the SIM tray or memory card tray. And they also have this little hole. Now, in order to eject the tray, we need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box, and we need to put it into this hole and use a little bit of force in order to make the tray pop out. Once that happens, you can use your fingernails in order to remove the tray from the device. There we go. In my case, I also have a SIM card, but I'm just going to remove it. Now, I'm not sure how it looks like with on the Wi-Fi version, because we have two versions of Galaxy Tab A11. We have a Wi-Fi version and we have the LTE version with the cellular option. So in that case, you can also use the SIM card. However, in this case, this is how the the tray actually looks like. Here we have the memory card slot, so we need to match the shape and just put it into its slot. So it looks like this, more or less. There we go. It is fully in, so now we're gonna put it back into the tablet and push it with your finger, of course, slide it in and make sure that it's all the way in. If it doesn't want to go in, you might need to readjust the memory card, but eventually it should go in. And make sure that it is actually fully in, because if it's not, then we can damage the tablet. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.